Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about you. Hey everybody, it's Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, you'll notice that my shirt does not necessarily say you as you would normally see it. Now, this is one of those awesome shirts that when I look into the mirror, it points out that it's me versus me. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, is in this journey, in this game, in this life, in this business of real estate, it really is us versus us. And you're only going to go as far as you're going to be able to push yourself, as far as you're going to hold yourself accountable, as far as you're going to implement the systems and the processes that will enable you to succeed. So many things are just tough. By 9 a.m., life gets in the way. Nobody likes to make phone calls. Negotiating contracts is not the easiest thing in the world. Financing falls apart. People tell you they're going to do stuff and they don't. I mean, we are faced with daily things. If you're making phone calls, you know, what is it? 90 out of 100 are not going to answer or will hang up on you. If you're door knocking, same thing with open houses. The business of real estate is the business of rejection. And the tougher you can become, the more grit you can put into it, the more you can win this battle, the better. So that's my challenge for you today, is look deep within. If you're feeling down, don't give up. If you don't feel like making the phone calls, make them anyway. If you're sad because your last open house didn't have anybody walk through, do another one. Whatever it is that you're struggling with, just do it. And you're gonna get that win. You're gonna get that smile. You're gonna feel good. Even if you didn't get that sale necessarily, you did the action to give you the win. And you're gonna feel good about yourself because of that. And that will be enough to get you through tomorrow and the next day and the next day. Just go for those daily wins. Don't let the bad you win. Be the you need and want to be. That's it, man. It's you versus you. That's it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.